Hi guys, my name is Julia and welcome to my channel about AI for life and business. Today I've decided to record a video with a tutorial on how to create a presentation using one AI tool. I've decided to choose Canva AI because I think that there are a lot of people who use Canva almost every day and for different tasks, and recently they've launched Canva AI for presentations, and I've decided to show it to you. It's really easy, and actually there is one more tool that will help you not just create slides and design, but also to write a text. And before we start, I want to tell you one thing. I'll try to edit this YouTube video with a few AI tools. So my plan is to spend around half of an hour to create this video for YouTube, and I will show you the result in one of my next videos, so be sure that you already subscribed. Okay, how to find this Canva AI tool? You can start by writing just like Canva AI presentation, that's it. And then you will find this address, canva.com, create AI presentations, that's it. And then we need to click on this button. And here you can see the first slide of your presentation. What we need to do? We need to write here the description of our presentation. For example, business report presentation. Something like this. Okay, then enter. And now Canva AI will generate for us a few slides that we will be able to apply to our presentation. You can see here, this is a few templates. Every template contains few slides with different layout. Let's choose one of these templates. I don't know, let's choose this one. And here are a lot of different layouts in the same design. And then all you need to do is just apply this layout to your presentation, or you can apply all of these pages, all of these slides in one click. Let's do this. Replace all pages with templates. Replace all of the pages. That's it. This is your presentation. Now you can write any text that you want to these slides. That's it. You can choose some images, or you can actually generate AI images. Maybe we can try to do it. Let's see. Magic Media. Yeah, Magic Media. And here I'll write, I don't know, maybe also business notes. Yeah, enter. And now this Magic Media tool generates for us new images. Yeah, a lot of different notes about business, and we can choose this picture and just apply it here. Yeah, this is it. If you don't like these images, it's okay. Actually, you can create more of this. But the main topic of this video is how to create presentations, so I don't be focusing on this Magic Media for a long time. If you need it, I can record another video. Just let me know about this in the comments. Okay, one more thing that I wanted to show you is how to generate actually text for your presentation. You can also do it in Canva, but this tool may be more relevant not to this type of presentation, not for report business presentations, more like, educational presentations, or like overview presentations. So I want to create one more presentation. Design, let's get back, and here I will write something like yoga exercises presentation. Yoga exercises, let's write 4 legs presentation. That's it. Enter. Okay, AI generated for us a few designs of presentation about yoga exercises. Let's see all. Yeah, 10 different designs. Let's choose one of them, maybe like this. It consists of 7 slides, 7 layouts. You can create the same slide. You can create a few slides with the same layout. It depends just on you. Okay, let's apply all 7 pages. Yeah, and this is our new presentation. So what I wanted to show you is how to generate text for your presentation if you don't want to Google something or write something from the scratch. Let's see. Actually, this AI tool already generated text for our presentation. You can see that this presentation contains not just photos, relevant photos with yoga poses, but also it contains relevant text about yoga. But anyway, I'll show you what I wanted to show you. For example, we want more detailed description about every yoga pose. And what we can do, we can click this icon and choose Magic Write. Here I'll type yoga exercises, 5 yoga exercises for legs. Generate. And you can see here more detailed description for every yoga pose. Yeah, and you can click just insert. And then this is the text. It has nothing in common with this presentation. These are 2 separate like objects, presentation and text. And that's why you have to choose the part of the text and like copy and paste it to the slide that you need. Maybe like here. Yeah. The advantage is that this text actually has this style of whole presentation. Like this is the same. Yeah, this is the same font and the same color. This is great actually, and you don't need to look for your font or your color. You just need to copy and paste this text on the right slide. Yeah, and this is it. This is how you can easily create presentation with Canva AI in just a few minutes. If you have some reports, a lot of numbers, tables, yeah, you maybe need to copy it and paste it here on these pages, but you don't have to like searching for the right design, searching for the right template, layouts for your presentation, for your slides. You just need copy and paste your text and tables, your data. In some other presentations, you even don't need to create this text from scratch and write it by yourself. You just can use these magic tools like Magic Write, and that's it. So I hope this video was useful for you, and you will be able to create beautiful presentations with this Canva AI tool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.